Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. So let's see what's the energy for you ngayong August 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Pisces. What's up for you ngayong August? Okay. Oh, wow. Talagang no? Self-love. Oh, yan ang magiging focus nyo ngayong August. To take care of yourself. To love yourself. Na this time, uunahin mo naman ang sarili mo. 'Di ba? Hindi na lang laging iba ang inuuna. Kasi nga, how can you pour from an empty cup? Paano kasi magsasalin galing sa walang laman na baso? Ang ganda na translation ko. So, yeah. Kumbaga, pupunuin mo muna yung cup mo. 'Di ba? Wow, I love that. As a Pisces rising, I love that. Self-love. Focus on yourself, taking care of your needs. You deserve it. Come on. Do it. Meditation. Oh, ganda. Some of you will find, peace in meditation. This was also part of your self-love, self-care. Na may time ka para sa sarili mo, mga quiet moments, me time. So, yan talaga yung pahahalagahan mo ngayong August. Or you will have that opportunity na mas may oras ka sa sarili mo. Libra, finding balance, 'di ba? Ganun naman talaga sa buhay eh. Para hindi tayo ma-burnout, kailangan you find balance, 'di ba? It's okay na, trabaho-trabaho, pero syempre kailangan mag-take a break ka. Kasi yun naman yung time na ina-nurture mo ang sarili mo. Kasi hindi naman lahat may nag-aalaga eh. 'Di ba? Hindi lahat may nag-aalaga. So, ikaw ang unang-unang dapat nag-aalaga sa sarili mo. Okay, let's see what else. What is your overall energy? For Pisces, overall energy for Pisces. Ooh, you are walking away from anything that is no longer satisfying or fulfilling. Kasi ito kung 8 of Cups, pag nakita mo, ano naman siya eh, standing, puno naman, may mga laman naman. Kaya lang ang question is, are you happy? Happy ka ba sa sitwasyon mo? Is it satisfying? Is it fulfilling for you? So, ngayong August, you will find your own happiness. Now, your challenge, ano yung challenge for Pisces? So, the moon. Your challenge is your emotions. Your challenge is sometimes na yung ba parang gini-guilt trip mo yung sarili mo na baka ano yung sabihin ng iba, ano yung, alam mo yun? So, may mga uncertainties, may mga worries ka. And yan yung isa sa challenge mo na pumipigil sa'yo in, doing what you want. And sometimes, ito, trust issues. Kasi the moon is also about, parang feeling mo may nakatago. Feeling mo someone is being hidden or something is being hidden sa'yo. So, may yung pagdating sa mga intentions, may mga trust issues ka. Sometimes we can't blame ourselves, no? Hindi mo natin masisi yung sarili natin kasi nga, ganun talaga. Minsan may mga taong nagtitake advantage. But this time kasi, your focus is to heal and nurture yourself. Your opportunity, the Knight of Cups. Maaring merong person na magbibigay rin sa'yo ng attention ngayong August, like offering you that love and care that you need. This can also an opportunity for you to start something na connected sa iyong passion, whatever you are passionate about. Your blessing is, wow, ang ganda. Nakakaloka. Okay, the Empress. The Empress as a blessing. Grabe, kayo na talaga, Pisces. Tayo na, Pisces ako eh. Pisces rising ako eh. So, this is about nurturing yourself. You have the blessing of abundance. You have Venus here. This is love. This is definitely self-love, self-care. Oo. And I think mas magiging, ano ka, yung, magiging productive. Oo. Mas marami kang magagawa ngayong August kasi mas magfo-focus ka sa sarili mo, sa kakayanan mo. Also, para lang naman 'to sa iba ha, blessing kasi siya so puwedeng may pregnancy if you've been wanting to have a pregnancy kasi para may opportunity ka na binibigay sa itong blessing na 'yan. Okay? So, let's see what else. Pisces. May abundance of knowledge, resources. Like, all you need to do is to focus on yourself. Okay? Kasi marami kang magagawa. Oy, grabe, Pisces. Itong message sa inyo na to, ewan ko na lang kung di kayo kilabutan. Sabi rito, time to go out and have fun. 'Di ba? Enjoy life. Ngayong August, may mga pagkakataon ka na mag-enjoy, lumabas, with your favorite people. Dealings or relationship with a man with a blonde, gray, or white hair. Ooh, for some of you, kung this is relationship, maaring you are dealing with a foreigner. A foreigner of Caucasian. This can be someone in your life na very supportive of you. Ay! Oy, pineapple. Reconciliation. Oh, 'di ba? Pagkatapos ng mag self-love, self-care, biglang may reconciliation. But you know what? Pwede rin naman kasi tong, this can be the offer of the person, nag-offer siya ng reconciliation, ayusin. This can be romantic, sa family, or sa friendship. But I also see this as reconciliation sa sarili mo. Okay? Yung bang tipong you will reconcile with yourself kung anong mga differences mo, anong issues mo, mga bagay na tinatakasan mo sa sarili mo. I-reconcile mo yan. Aayusin mo yan. And I think itong retrograde na to, marami kang realization sa buhay. Oh, you are embracing who you are. Oh my God. This is so emotional for you, Pisces. Accepting yourself for who you really are. And that's the first step to self-love, to self-care. Oh my goodness. Wonderful. Oh my Oh my God, this is so close to home. Divine service, how can you serve yourself better? Diba? Yun naman talaga yung pinaka goal or pinaka message nitong reading ninyo. Wow, congratulations, Pisces. You will serve yourself this time. Okay? So enjoy. Thank you so much. So this is your reading. Thank you so much. Bye.